So everyone is talking about Nicki Minaj and Skeng and the remix of the song that has been doing so well. Everyone have their own personal opinion and views as it relates to the matter itself, and some people have been raising some real concern and some concerns that are not really relevant at this time. However, we just want to discuss it on the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Updates, and when we return we'll have the exclusive details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel for the latest entertainment news. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. So the big topic on everyone's lips today is about Skeng and Nicki Minaj and how the song that they collaborate with, or should I say the song that was remixed, and how it is doing well. But some people have been criticizing the whole entire move and stating that Nicki Minaj is trying to take over our music, and it has just been a whole lot of controversy surrounding the whole entire remix of the song itself. But all I can say is that what Nicki Minaj have done and is going to do will be something that will forever edge on the hearts and minds of many. And many international superstars, they have not done what Nicki Minaj have done, despite our music being a top level and well recognized music across the world. Many seem to undermine our music. So when you look at a person such as Nicki Minaj, who have that fame and that popularity, to seek to want to collaborate with Jamaican international superstars, that's a plus for our music. And instead of people bashing her for what she's doing, I think people should just endorse the move of her and Skeng and how she has been representing for our culture and spreading the word of Jamaica right across the globe. I can't see why people want to tear this individual down and stating that she's trying to take over dancehall music. When you look at Nicki Minaj caliber of hits after hits, she's not a dancehall artist, so there's no way Nicki Minaj would want to take over our music. I believe Nicki Minaj has cemented her name as a household name already, so there's nothing for Nicki Minaj to want to take over right now. I believe Nicki Minaj is just trying to use her level of influence in order to propel these upcoming entertainers and those who are on that rise of international fame right now, to propel them more on the international scene. And I believe that this really needs to be recognized more, and what she's doing is something that is lacking in our music right now, where top international superstar believes that they're too big in order to collaborate with some upcoming stars. And Nicki Minaj needs to be commended for what she has done for our music and our culture, and also still doing in representing for Jamaica on our music itself. So we just want to give hats off to her, and I hope that she continue to strive in her musical career as she continue to propel our name and our culture and our music, hardcore dancehall music, on an international scale. So the collaboration has been getting mixed reviews both online, on the media, and just right across the whole aspect of the music world itself. But all I can say, it's a very good collaboration, and it just goes to show you when great minds come together what can be done. And this is just actually a great move by her, and I believe that more is to come and many more are in the pipeline. We just need to just wait and see what she's been up to. I believe that she's going to take a trip to Jamaica, as she stated in a recent live that she did say she's planning to do a trip to Jamaica. And I hope that when she's in Jamaica, some more collaboration could just come through the pipeline, because Nicki Minaj following is very huge and she have that backing of her people and her fans behind her. So anything she put her hands to, it's like it turns to gold. So what she's done for our music, no one in the history of music have ever done that before, and it's to collaborate with so many Jamaican artists all at once. I'm not saying that international artists so far have not collaborated with Jamaican artists, but this is actually the first time we're actually seeing so many artists coming together on one track in order to produce a mega hit song that has been getting worldwide recognition and have the heads of many people turning within the music space itself. So Nicki Minaj has done this, and I believe that instead of people criticizing her about what she has done and what she's gonna do for the music, I believe that this is a time where people need to embrace what she has done and just try to put that positive light out there to reflect on the positive and not the negative of what she has done, because what she has done has never been done before. And is no matter we're gonna say that she wants to take over our music, that is not the point. The fact is that she's spreading our culture. She is using her medium, her style, and her popularity in order to gather fans for these individuals. If you look, some of these individuals, they have not had a hit song in so long. And when you look on individuals that collaborated on this track, these are some hardcore international superstars that have cemented their name and household name already, that people know right across the world. So these are not just some breakout international superstars. These people have already cemented their name in music already. So she's just trying to elevate the careers of these individuals to a next level. And I believe that this really needs to have the backing of the people instead of people trying to tear down the move. And there have been just mixed reviews about the whole entire situation. One thing you have to know, our music is a very unique type of music. Dancehall music, which the reggae side of it as well, is a music that is known globally. However, it is still limited to certain aspects of the world and in certain genres and specification within the music space itself. We want to see our music being portrayed just like the rock music, the R&B music. That's how we want to see our music being portrayed globally, not only in Jamaica but on an international scene where people can recognize our music. So when our music get this type of exposure, especially that this one has got from Nicki Minaj, we really need to embrace this and don't tear this move down, because we want our music to live. We want our music to grow. We don't want our music to be at one level forever. We want to see people on the big stage of international stardom, and that's where our music should have been. However, it has taken some time for it to get there, and it's as if it is in a stagnant stage right at this time. So when you have someone like Nicki Minaj coming forward in order to do such a collaboration with these top guns in the business, we really need to embrace this move and cherish it, because it's not everyone is going to do this, especially when they have that level of fame and that level of stardom behind their name. Nicki Minaj don't want anything from dancehall. I believe Nicki Minaj have something to offer to dancehall, right? So I don't rate when people try to tear down this and say that about the whole entire thing. And there have just been so many negative comments in relation to what has been going on with this collaboration between Nicki Minaj and Skeng. But I believe it's a great move and it's a good exposure for these international superstars. And it's not just a one-off thing. Nicki Minaj has been actually doing the thing, and this is not the first time that Nicki Minaj has collaborated with a Jamaican artist. You can remember she collaborated with Beenie Man one at a time, and she collaborated with Egyptian, and there have just been numerous works that have been done. Nicki Minaj representing for Jamaica, and I believe that we really need to put some real level of thinking into this and see the brighter side of the globe, because when we look, the music is not limited to Jamaica alone. We want these international superstars to go on that big stage and just to see the level and the power of the music itself. These individuals have not seen that just yet. They have just broken the barrier in order to look on that other side and to see what's to come within the music itself. So I believe that people just need to just embrace this right now, and instead of using negative comments, just look on the brighter side of the picture and just hope for the best to come. I don't believe that there is anything negative should have come from this, and there have been so much negative comments and so much backlash about the whole entire song and the collaboration itself. But all I can say is a good look for our music, and much respect goes out to Nicki Minaj on this massive collaboration with Skeng and all the other entertainers that did their thing on this track. Very good move by Nicki Minaj, and she really needs to be commended for this move, because as I said before, no one has done this. This is history in the making with our music. This is where I'm going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel for the latest entertainment news. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.